Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.